ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ. ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Milind Babras and I welcome you all to Anubhava, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. Sridhar. Project investigator Alok Verma. Coordinators Pooja Maruda, Sai Sudha and Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions, queries and support to elderly. Chanting sloka or mantra are the important aspect of elders' everyday life. You might have memorized many of them. Now, Mrs. Anuradha would like to share one of her favorite sloka for us. Over to Mrs. Anuradha Krishnan.
Hello friends, I am Anuradha here. I am going to chant one sloka about Lord Subramanya. This is a very old Kirtana. Please, hope you enjoy it. Nadabindu kaladi namo namah, Vedamantra Swarupa namo namah, Jnana-Pandita Swami namo namah, Vigukodi Mama Shambhu Kumara namo namah, Bhoga Andari Bala namo namah, Nagabanta Mayura namo namah, Parasura Shedadanda Vinoda namo namah, Gita Kingini Bada namo namah, Veera Samprama Veera namo namah, Giriraja Deepamangala Jyoti namo namah, Tuya Ambala Leela namo namah, Devakunchari Bhaga namo namah, Arultarai Idalum Palakolala Pujayum, Odalum Gunacharanidhiyum, Iramum Guru Shirvada Sevayum, Maravade Erdalam Pugar Kaveri Alvilai, Choramandalamite Manohara, Rajagambhira Nalum Nayaka, Mayalura Nadabindu kaladi namo namah, Vedamantra Swarupa namo namah, Jnana-Pandita Swami namo namah, Vigukodi.
Thank you Anuradha. Appreciate your efforts. Along with sloka, you also wanted to share an experience that has happened about 30 years ago, isn't it? Can you please share it?
Hello friends, here I am, Anuradha, again going to narrate you an incident in our family that happened around 25-30 years ago. Let me tell you first, it is nothing serious. We had a religious vow to fulfill at our family deity's temple at Trichur in Kerala. So, we, a group of 13 family members, undertook the journey to Trichur. For 2 days, we stayed at our relative's house and all the pleasantries were exchanged. We were meeting them after quite a long time. So, the next day we went to the temple and finished our prayers. The train to Bangalore was at 4 pm. The time has come to leave for railway station. But to our shock, we were told that a lightning strike is going on, which is usual in Kerala. The locals take it so coolly. So we started walking with children, elders, and huge bag and baggage. Finding fault with each other, we walked fast. At last we could find the end of the tunnel, the last curve of the road that leads to the railway station. But to our horror, we saw the train already arrived. The regularly late train came on time. The guard has the green flag already poised to position. Then I took the lead, started running, waving my hand. The guard saw me running towards him. 1 second. He lowered the flag and showed signs to come fast. Profusely thanking him, we got into the train. This still a joke of topic in our gathering. To end this narrative, I end it with my husband's comment. She stopped the train like one stops the bus. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed today's program. Listeners, I hope you all enjoyed listening to the program as well. Stay tuned to Hiriyara Vani for more such programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any questions or queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.